The Essex Fleet carriers, the first of which was launched in July 1942, were at 27,000 tons the biggest American carriers yet. With a top speed of 33 knots, they were also the fastest. The Essex carriers could operate an air group of 82 aircraft and carry nearly 250,000 gallons of aviation fuel. A massive array of anti-aircraft guns gave the Essex carriers the ability to put up a powerful defense against enemy air attack. The carriers had 12 5-inch radar-controlled guns, 40 40mm guns, and 60 30mm weapons. Although the flight deck was not protected by armour, the hangar below was, and it would detonate a bomb before it reached the ship's core. By October 1944, 13 Essex-class carriers had been completed. Of these, 7 would take part in the battle at Leyte Gulf.